In this video, we will see how to sum a row or multiple rows in Google Sheets. Once you're in your Google Sheets file, select the cell where you want to put the sum. For example, I want to put it here. So click that cell and then type the equal sign followed by the word sum, spelled as S-U-M. Once it appeared, click it and then select the cells in that certain row. For example, let's try to select these cells. Once you're done selecting them, just hit the Enter key on your keyboard. So this is the sum of the row 1, 4, 3. Let's try it one more time using a different method. Let's try to get the sum of the row 145. So select the cell where you want to put the sum. Type the equal sign followed by the word sum. And then just click the Enter key on your keyboard and then locate the cell that you want to sum. For example, you want to sum the following values from cell F145 to Q145. So let's type that. F145, then click the colon on your keyboard to Q145. Once it's done, just click Enter. And that's the sum of the row 145. Just repeat the same process. Or you could also do this. F147, just type it. Colon Q147. Just click Enter, and it's done. If you want to get the sum of the rest of your rows, click that small circle on the current cell and hold it downward. And let go of it. And that's it. And even if you check it, you will see that each has the same formula. And that's how to sum a row or multiple rows in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more bite-sized tutorials like this. Thank you for watching!